Hello students, in acid, base and salt chapter, first we already discussed preparation of acid. Suppose sulfur trioxide which on hydrolysis to give sulfuric acid. It is a strong acid. When sulfur dioxide which on hydrolysis it give sulfuric acid. It is a dibasic acid. There are two hydronium ion present in a sulfuric acid when dissociate in water. Therefore, it is a dibasic acid. Now, base. Suppose sodium, it react with oxygen. It gives sodium oxide. It is a 4 times sodium. Then balance. It give basic oxide. Sodium oxide. It is example of basic oxide. Then basic oxide, which on hydrolysis means addition of water to give sodium hydroxide. It is a preparation of strong base which having only one OH group, hydroxy group. Therefore, it is example of monoacidic base. It produce when it is a dissolved in water, it produce only one OH minus ion in the aqueous solution. When magnesium oxide react with water, it gives magnesium hydroxide, but when magnesium react with oxygen, it form magnesium oxide. It is a first step. This is a basic oxide, magnesium oxide, but when it hydrolysis means addition of water, then it gives MgOH twice. Shouldn't write down this way. It is MgOH twice, not for hydrogen. There are OH twice. There are Mg plus 2 and OH minus 1. Therefore, balance. Therefore, we need the balance. Therefore, it is a MgOH twice. Magnesium hydroxide. It is example of base. When strong acid react with strong base. Acid example HCl and strong base example NaOH. It gives salt plus water. NaCl, it is a salt and formation of water. It is a neutralization reaction. It is preparation of salt. Now, to balance the reaction, any reaction, we need the number of valency and number of valence electron. Suppose sodium, it form Na plus, then K plus. Alkali metal, it is a plus 1 valency, Na plus, K plus, Li plus. Then group 2, Mg plus 2, Ca plus 2, beryllium plus 2, barium plus 2, it is a plus 2, which having 2 valence electron present. Therefore, it is a 2 valency of group 2 element like magnesium, calcium, beryllium and barium. Now, Al plus 3, Al having aluminum having plus 3, boron having plus 3. There are 3 valence electron present and carbon having plus 4. Valency of carbon plus 4. Atomic number 6 and electronic configuration 4. Therefore, it gives 4 electron or it accepts the 4 electrons. Therefore, valency of carbon is 4. Now, there are ions Cl minus, Br minus 1, I minus 1, F minus 1. There are minus 1 charge. Now, oxygen having minus 2 charge. Another example like CO3 carbonate minus 2, SO4 minus 2. Example. Another minus one example, just like ClBr minus, OH minus 1, hydroxy minus 1, cyanide minus 1. Write down, students. Then PO4 minus 3, then minus 3, then it requires plus 3 to balance the reaction. CO3 minus 2. Now Cl combined with group 1, it form NaCl, KCl, LiCl molecule. When it combined with group 2, it gives MgCl2, calcium chloride, CaCl2. When another BaCl2, barium chloride. When it is a plus 3 charge, then AlCl3, AlCl3. Then plus 3 having another example, BCl3, boron trichloride, aluminum chloride. It is example with group 1 combined with Cl, NaCl, KCl, LiCl. It is a valence, complete valence. Na plus Cl minus, K plus Cl minus, K plus Li plus Cl minus. Group 2 plus 2, therefore it is a 2 times. Al plus 3, therefore it is a 3 times. Now OH minus, therefore KOH, K plus minus, K plus minus. Na plus OH minus. When it is a group 1, then group 2 having MgOH twice, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. It is example of base, barium hydroxide. When it is the plus 2 completed, then plus 3, then AlOH thrice, because aluminum it is a plus 3, therefore it is a 3 times. FeOH thrice, it is a plus 3. Fe is plus 3. Fe is plus 3. We already discussed the pH, the range 0 to 14, 0 to 14. Below 7 it is a acidic nature, 7 then it is a neutral, and more than 7 then it is a basic in nature. Basic means alkaline in nature. When litmus paper blue turn red, then it is a presence of acid solution or acidic solution. Presence of acid solution. When red turn in blue, then it is a presence of alkaline solution or basic solution. Alkaline solution. Red litmus paper turn blue. Alkaline solution. Now phenolphthalein. In acid solution, addition of phenolphthalein indicator means it change the color, but no change, there it is a colorless, no remain same the solution. But presence of alkaline solution or basic solution, this when addition of phenolphthalein indicator, then change its color pink. In alkaline solution, it is a change the color, it gives pink color. It is a basic in nature, alkaline in nature. We also use to check the acidic, basic or neutral solution by using universal solution, or it acts as a universal indicator. So when universal indicator add in acid solution, suppose it gives red color, then its pH 1, therefore it is a highly acidic in nature. When it gives pink color, then it is a pH 3, then it is a acid also solution. Yellow, then it is a weakly acidic or slightly acidic. Then it gives green color. When it gives, the universal indicator gives, when addition in acid any solution, it gives green color, then it gives the neutral. Water, when addition of in water add universal indicator, it gives green color. Therefore it is a when it give green color, then it is a neutral in nature, means its pH 7. When it give blue color, then it is a basic in nature. When it gives indigo color, it is a indigo color, violet color of the solution when addition of universal indicator in any solution, then it gives violet color, indigo color, then it is example of strong base or strong alkaline solution, which we will identify the acid, base and neutral solution when addition of small amount of universal indicator in any solution. Now in preparation of salt, water soluble salt, now metal combined with non-metal, sodium with Cl2, then it gives NaCl, Fe with Cl2, it is a 3 times, 2 times Fe plus 3 times Cl2, where we are balance the reaction, Fe plus 3 and Cl minus 1, therefore our product FeCl3, it is a 2 times, it is a balance reaction by using plus 3 charge and minus 1, it is Cl, it is a 3 times, it is a combination reaction. Next, active metal react with sulfuric acid like zinc, it is a active metal react with sulfuric acid and evolution of hydrogen gas means H2 and formation of zinc sulfate, it is a formation of salt. When zinc active metal react with sulfuric acid, it gives zinc sulfate and evolution of hydrogen gas. Same kind of another example, magnesium react with sulfuric acid, it gives magnesium sulfate and hydrogen gas liberate. It is another salt formation from active metal. We also use Fe plus HCl, it gives FeCl2 and liberation of hydrogen gas. This is example of active metal react with acid, Fe plus 2 times HCl, formation of FeCl2 and liberation of hydrogen gas or evolution of hydrogen gas. Next, preparation of volatile acid from non-volatile acid. Sulfuric acid react with potassium nitrate, it gives acid salt. It is an example of partial displacement, it only displaces one hydrogen atom, then it gives potassium hydrogen sulfate. The temperature condition below 200 degrees Celsius. When it is above 200 degrees Celsius, then we get total displacement of hydronium ion or hydrogen ion. Therefore it is an example of preparation of salt or preparation of volatile acid from non-volatile acid. It is a non-volatile acid, it is a volatile acid, and also used as a preparation of salt, this reaction. Next, when zinc chloride react with sulfuric acid, it gives zinc sulfate and 2 times HCl. Zinc chloride plus water, sorry, sulfuric acid, it gives zinc sulfate and 2 times HCl, 2 times HCl. It is a preparation of zinc sulfate from zinc chloride react with sulfuric acid, it gives zinc sulfate and 2 times HCl. NaCl, sorry, zinc chloride, it is only 1 times, zinc chloride plus H2SO4, it gives zinc sulfate plus 2 times HCl. Now preparation of insoluble salt. When lead react with sulfur, it gives lead sulfide, it gives lead sulfide, it gives lead sulfide. It is a salt, insoluble salt in water. When Fe with sulfur, it gives FeS. FeS, it is a salt, insoluble salt. Ferrous sulfide, it is a sulfide of lead, and Fe means ferrous means iron. Another salt preparation, insoluble salt, when acidic oxide SO2, it is a acidic oxide, it react with calcium oxide, it is a basic oxide, then it gives salt, insoluble salt like calcium sulfide. Formation of calcium sulfide, there are total 3 oxygen, one calcium, one sulfur, calcium sulfide. Preparation from acidic oxide plus basic oxide. Same kind of another example, calcium oxide plus CO2. Calcium oxide react with carbon dioxide, it gives calcium carbonate, it gives calcium carbonates, limestone, calcium carbonate. This is first example and second example. Preparation of insoluble salt, when acidic oxide combine with basic oxide to form salt, Next, double displacement reaction or precipitation reaction, when barium chloride react with sulfuric acid, Ba, it is a +2, Cl minus, hydrogen plus, SO4 minus 2. It gives precipitate of barium sulfate, positive combined with negative, and 2 times HCl, It is a formation of precipitate of barium sulfate, salt formation. Next, silver nitrate, positive, negative, positive, negative. When silver nitrate react with hydrochloric acid HCl, it gives precipitate of white precipitate of AgCl and byproduct HNO3, nitric acid. The positive attach with negative and negative attach with positive, and formation of AgCl, white precipitate. It is a salt, insoluble salt. There are example, barium chloride plus sulfuric acid, formation of precipitate of BaSO4, barium sulfate. This is a sign of precipitate form. Next, AgNO3 plus HCl, formation of AgCl, precipitate of AgCl, silver chloride. Next, lead nitrate plus NO2CO3, sodium carbonate, it gives lead carbonate precipitate. When sodium sulfate react with barium chloride, it gives barium sulfate precipitate. When copper sulfate react with hydrogen sulfide, it gives cuprous sulfide or copper sulfide precipitate. When lead nitrate react with hydrochloric acid, it gives lead chloride precipitate, white precipitate, lead chloride. Barium sulfate, silver chloride, lead carbonate, cuprous chloride, copper sulfide. It is an example of salt preparation, or it is in the form of precipitate. Students, it is important when lead nitrate react with sulfuric acid, it give lead sulfate. This lead sulfate white precipitate, it is your observation, it is important for your exam point of view. Write down in this way, lead sulfate white precipitate. When sodium hydroxide react with aluminum with 2 times water, it gives sodium aluminate, 2 times NaAlO2. When sodium hydroxide react with aluminum with water to give sodium aluminate, NaAlO2. When zinc react with sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium zincate, Na2 ZnO2. Na2ZnO2. When zinc react with sodium hydroxide, it gives Na2ZnO2. Its name sodium zincate formation. It is a salt.